Deadly Poacher here. Gonna find me some more deadly animals. Rattlesnakes are a group of venomous snakes of the genera Crataeus and Cichinias of the subfamily. There are 32 known species of rattlesnakes, with between 65 and 70 subspecies, all native to the Americas, ranging from the southern Alberta and southern British Columbia to Canada, to central Argentina. Rattlesnakes are predators who live in a wide variety of habitats, hunting small animals such as birds and rodents. They kill their prey with their venomous bite, rather than by constricting. All rattlesnakes possess a set of fangs, in which they inject large quantities of hypotoxin venom. The venom travels through the bloodstream, destroys the tissue, causing swelling, internal bleeding, and intense pain. Some species, such as muscle rattlesnakes, additionally possess a neurotoxin component in their venom that causes paralysis and nervous symptoms. The threat of invenomous is advertised by the loud shaking of the venomous noise make a rattle at the end of their tail deters many predators, but not me. However, rattlesnakes fail to prey to hawks, weasels, cane snakes, and a variety of other species. Rattlesnakes are heavily preyed upon as neonates while they are weak and mentally immature. Very large numbers of rattlesnakes are killed by humans, yes, like me. Rattlesnake populations in many areas are severely threatened by habitat destruction, poaching, and extermination campaigns, yeah. Rattlesnake bites are leading cause of the rattlesnake injuries in North America and cause approximately 82% of fatalities. Rattlesnakes are found in almost every type of habitat that is capable of supporting terrestrial ectothermic vertebrates, but individual species can have extremely specific habitat requirements, only able to live within certain plant associations in a narrow range of altitudes. Most species live near open rocky areas. Rocks offer them cover from predators, plentiful prey, and open basking areas. However, rattlesnakes can also be found in a wide variety of other habitats, including prairies, marshes, deserts, and forests. Rattlesnakes' preferred temperatures range from 80 to 90 degrees, but can survive temperatures below freezing, recovering from brief exposure to temperatures as low as 4 degrees Fahrenheit, and surviving for several days in temperatures as low as 37 degrees Fahrenheit. Evidence has been collected to show that most probable ancestral areas of rattlesnakes in the occupational region of Mexico. The same study found the most probable vegetarian or habitat of the ancestral area to the pine oak forests. Rattlesnake fangs are connected by venom ducts to large poison glands near the outer edge of the upper jaw toward the rear of the head. When the rattlesnake bites, muscles on the sides of the venom gland contract, which squeezes the venom through the ducts and into the fangs. When the fangs are not in use, they remain folded against the palate. Rattlesnakes are born with a fully functioning fangs and venom and are capable of killing prey at birth. How strong these people are. Adult rattlesnakes shed their fangs every 6 to 10 weeks. At least 3 pairs of replacement fangs lie behind the functional pair. Most species of rattlesnakes can control how much venom to inject and have a hemotoxin venom destroying tissue. In the USA, there have been neurotoxins known as Mojo type A toxin, which can cause severe problems. Rattlesnake venom is a mixture of 5 to 15 enzymes, varies metal ions, biogenic enzymes, lipids, free amino acids, proteins, and polypeptides. It contains components designed to immobilize and disable the prey, as well as digestive enzymes, which break down the tissue to prepare for later injection. The venom is very stable and retains its toxicity for many years in storage. Older snakes possess more potent venom, and large snakes are frequently capable of storing large volumes of it. Like all pit vipers, rattlesnakes have 2 organs that can use radiation, their eyes instead of heat-sensing pits on their face that enable them to locate prey and strike towards it, based on the prey's thermal radiation signal. These pits have a relatively short effective range of proximity, but nevertheless give the rattlesnake a distinctive advantage in hunting for prey, warm, bloody creatures at night. Like night vision goggles. Rattlesnakes' eyes, which have a large number of rod cells, are well adapted to nocturnal use. However, rattlesnakes are not exclusively nocturnal, and their vision is more acute during daylight conditions. Rattlesnakes also possess cone cells, which means they are capable of the form of color vision. The rattlesnake eye lacks a fovea, making it impossible for them to see sharply defined images. Instead, they mostly rely on their perception of movement. Rattlesnakes' eyes are capable of horizontal rotation, but do not appear to move their eyeballs to follow moving objects. Rattlesnakes have an exceptional keen sense of smell. They can sense of olfactory stimuli, both in their nostrils by flicking their tongue, which carries semi-bearing particles to the Jacobson's organ in the roof of their mouth. Like all snakes, rattlesnakes do not have several ear openings, and the structures of their middle ear is not highly specialized as those of other vertebrates, such as mammals. Thus, their sense of smell is not very effective. However, they are capable of sensing vibration in the ground, passing via the skeleton and the auditory nerve. Rattlesnake is a very deadly predator and possesses all, but it cannot and it will not be deadly enough for the deadly Poacher. For I will capture it and I will kill it. This is the deadly Poacher, saying nothing is beyond my means.